The possibilities of what you can create with AI are endless. First, take a look at what I created, and then I'll tell you how I did it.
On the morning of April 14th, 1912, a single decision may have sealed the fate of hundreds. A scheduled lifeboat drill aboard the Titanic was canceled. The reason is still debated, perhaps for a Sunday church service, perhaps due to high winds. This lack of preparation was echoed in the silence from the nearby ship, the SS Californian. Its wireless operator was off duty, completely missing the distress rockets that lit up the night sky. Yet, in the face of these cascading failures, the Titanic's 8 musicians played on, their final notes a defiant act of calm as the ship went down.
That was amazing storytelling with awesome visuals, right? And I didn't use any expensive software or hire an animator for this. I did everything using AI, and as you can already see, the results are amazing. Now, videos like this are incredibly popular among viewers. Just take a look at this channel. This channel specifically creates explainer videos like this, and almost all of their videos get a huge number of views. You can create amazing educational videos, explainer videos, true crime content, adventure stories. The possibilities are endless. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, the tool I used to create this video is Golpo AI, and let me tell you guys, it is amazingly good. This is a Y Combinator backed company. For those who don't know, Y Combinator is a highly prestigious American startup accelerator and venture capital firm that funds early stage tech companies based on their potential. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. From here, click on Get Started, and it will take you to this interface. This is where all the magic happens. And this is the prompt section where you need to write what you want. And on the top, you can see 2 options. The first one is the narration option. If you turn it on, you can upload your own narration if you already have one, or you can even record the narration directly from here, which is pretty neat. The second option is script mode. If you turn this on, instead of giving a prompt, you can paste your entire script if you already have one. I'll also show you this method, but for now, let's go with the simple prompt option. So I'll keep it turned off. Now, let's give it a prompt. We'll ask it to create a short story about World War II. Next, in this section, you can upload your own documents if you have any. This could be a news article related to the story or any reference material. This step is not mandatory, but if you do upload documents, the AI will get more context. Since we're working on World War II, which is one of the most well-documented historical events, we won't be needing it here. In the next section, you can also upload your own images and videos if you want. This is useful if you're creating a fictional story or something similar where you already have visual references. Just remember, all of these options are completely optional, so don't stress too much about them. Next, you can turn on the audio only option if you want the tool to generate just the narration. I don't want that for this project, so I'll keep it turned off. In these 2 sections, you can add custom instructions. For example, if you want the voiceover to have a specific accent, you can mention it here. You can also specify things like particular transitions or stylistic preferences. This gives you a lot of creative freedom. Next, if you turn on the edit script option, the tool will first show you the script after generation. Once you approve the script, it will then move on to video generation. I'll turn this on. I'll also turn on the color option because I want the video to look as visually appealing as possible. From here, you can choose the background music style. Let's go with documentary. You can also adjust the video duration, voiceovers, and other settings, but I'll keep everything at the default for now. Finally, click on Generate Script and let the AI create the script. And this is the script it has created. You can go through it and make any changes if you want, or you can click on the Regenerate option to create a new script. For me, I'm quite happy with it, so I'll click on Create Video from Script and let the AI do its magic. Now, this process can take a bit of time depending on your duration and settings. And here is the output.
World War II wasn't just a clash of ideologies, it was a desperate grab for resources. Germany's invasion of the Soviet Union was a hunt for Ukraine's fertile lands and Caucasus oil. Japan pushed into Southeast Asia for the same reason, oil and rubber to fuel its war machine. While armies clashed, the war was also won on factory floors. Propaganda posters like Rosie the Riveter mobilized millions of women into the American workforce, while slogans warned that loose lips sink ships. And in occupied lands, resistance movements sabotaged railways and relayed vital intelligence, fighting a shadow war. The war's end didn't bring simple peace. It shattered old empires, accelerating decolonization across.
Wow, I am honestly speechless. This doesn't feel like generic AI content at all. If you showed this video to someone, they wouldn't be able to tell that it's completely AI generated, right? It's that good. Now I understand why Y Combinator funded it. The voiceover sounds very natural, the visuals are on point, and this sketch-style storytelling keeps things really interesting and engaging. I genuinely felt like I was watching a regular YouTube video explaining the topic. Outstanding work. Here's another explainer video I created just from a prompt. This one explains Democrats versus Republicans.
In America's political landscape, two giants dominate. Yet recent polls show majorities view both the Democratic and Republican parties as too extreme. Democrats, with roots tracing back to Thomas Jefferson, now push for a more active government, championing social welfare, healthcare reform, and environmental protection. Republicans, founded to oppose slavery, today advocate for limited government, promoting free market capitalism and conservative social values. This ideological clash plays out in their strategies. Republicans are redrawing electoral.
Amazing, right? I still can't believe this is all AI. Just look at how beautifully everything is explained. Wow. Now with videos like this, you can literally take your content creation game to the next level. You can create videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you like. And now, let me show you how you can create videos using your own script. First, from here, you need to turn on script mode and then paste your script here. I created this script using ChatGPT, by the way. I simply asked it to search for true crime stories on the internet, pick one, and then create a story based on the news. Next, I'll choose the settings just like before and simply click on generate video. And that's it. This is what it created.
Abby Choi was 28, glamorous, and seemingly untouchable. A Hong Kong model, socialite, and influencer, she lived a life defined by fashion shoots, luxury events, and motherhood to 4 children. Her final Instagram post on February 19, 2023, showed her smiling, confident, and thriving. 2 days later, she vanished after failing to pick up her daughter from school, an act so out of character that her family immediately reported her missing.
Outstanding. I'm telling you guys, you won't truly understand how good this is until you try it yourself. Once you sign up, they'll give you free credits to generate videos. However, if you want to use the advanced features, you'll need to purchase a subscription. And honestly, based on the kind of videos it can create, I'd say it's totally worth it. You can give it a try yourself. The link will be in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.